Meaning of exploratory.
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 Exploratory. The term exploratory refers to the act of investigating or examining something without a specific goal in mind. It involves seeking to discover hidden or unknown information through methods such as observation, experimentation, and analysis. The results of exploratory research are often open-ended and not predetermined, as they can reveal unexpected findings. This approach is commonly used in the early stages of the research process to help refine research questions, develop hypotheses, and guide further investigation. Overall, exploratory research is a valuable tool for exploring new areas of knowledge and generating insights that can inform future research endeavors.